Video I'm going to teach you how to make a slotted ring or circle, so that today here go to part design, open your Catia v5. We are doing on Catia, so part design. So okay, now I am going to make this setup. First of all, I will make this circle with some slotted outside. It is slotted. So on the second part, i'm going to make the bar, this frame, and this parabolic troop collector, this absorber, and then this gear mechanism will be added. So now without much delay, let's start. So I'm going to select this one, sketch. Okay, I'm going to in this I'm going to design this circle of 2000 dia, and no, sorry guys, in this way we cannot create, because it will give us numerous problem. It is very difficult to do by this way. So I'm going to select this one and going to this one, and now I'm going to select this. Okay, after matching with this Android, I'm drawing this one, and then I'm dimensioning it. Okay, I will give dimension this one. It is of 20 and it is of 15. Okay, okay, no problem. What, 20? Okay, I will give it 15 also. So now I'm zooming it and panning, and again I'm going to select this one, and from here I'm drawing the. So now in this case I want this slot, not this one part. I will delete it. So I need this part, but this part should be up to 5 only. So I'm going to dimensioning it. I will dimension it. I want 5 here, means a total of 10 length I required. Okay, I will make 10. Okay, it is 5 here and 5 here. So after then I will make this one also 5 Okay, this is also, this I am making 10 so no problem guys. So after then, okay, unselect it and double click in this, and I am going to delete. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm going to say yes. Now this is my required cross section of the revolving part or ring. So now I'm going to delete this one. These are no work now. Okay, I got it here. So if you want to dimension it, then dimension you can. It is 5 and it is 10, like this. Okay, go to the exit workbench. Okay, sorry guys, I have to give the axis also to revolve. So I'm going to, so for this revolve, or for this cross section, I want a circle of how much, 1000 Okay, I will give this dimension as 1000. No problem guys. Okay, zoom to fit. Here is your cross section. Now go to exit workbench and go to revolve command, and okay, 360 degree, all is done here. Now you got your, okay, I will show you in this. Okay, this is my slotted bar of 5 mm depth. Okay, no problem guys. In this way you can make uh, the slot. Okay, I'm seeing here how much distance it is here. Okay, now you have to save it. File, go to file, save. Okay, thank you. And now I will make this part in by doing assembly also. So I will do it in assembly part. So if you like my videos, if you want to make this frame, then you can just follow me in my Catia. You can see this video how to make this in Catia V5. Okay, in Catia my Catia playlist. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you all.